Listen, damn, I'm about to go in on your bitch ass. I'm just playing, but still. Listen. You so whack, I'm black, I can't fucking rap. You call yourself nasty, nigga, I call you fucking straight trash. Watch me get this cash, nigga, right up this fucking breath. Came up from the bottom, nigga, now I'm on the top. I'm about to shout at you, nigga. About to put your ass on blast, put you on that broadcast. That's what that news media shit, nigga. Watch your ass get fucking crash, nigga. You say you at the top, or I'ma send you to the bottom like the Titanic under the fucking ocean, nigga. I'm coming out, I got that potion, nigga. I got the antidote that help you save your rapping skills, nigga. You should be ashamed of your fucking lyrics, nigga. I'm about to go in, I'm going in on fucking Dan Rios. He call himself Razzle Dazzle, man, you nothing but a hoe. I got your girl on my dick, yes, that's right, bitch. You nothing but a bitch, just don't even fucking trip. This that young Tweety shit, that get money shit. Tryna fuck with young Tweezy, bring it on you honey ass bitch. You's nothing but a beat, you stay buzzing in people's ears. Come on, holla at young Tweezy, nigga, I'ma show you what it is. Tryna mess with me, that's the wrong decision. Better send your ass to preschool, nigga, cause that's where you belong, bitch. Tryna hop on young Tweezy track, nigga, this is fucking black, this that icy boy shit, dog. What the fuck is happening, bitch? Don't even try to have a rap battle with Tweety. Going in on your bitch ass, then. You ain't doing shit, dog. Fucking ass, dog. Tweety, nigga.